Hi, this is Paulo from AEvent Support. In this video, I'll be showing you how to create timeline action to change the subject or title of your upcoming webinar or meeting. When the subject of a webinar or meeting is changed, Zoom will send an email alerting all registrants of that change, thus enabling another email from Zoom. You can use this to trigger another email reminder for your registrants. Please note that this action requires a minimum of 20 minutes before the start of the webinar or meeting. Let's log into AEvent and open your timeline. Click on Create Action from the upper right-hand side. Let's set this action to trigger 30 minutes before the webinar starts. Let's target registrants from the main event. From this drop-down, let's select Zoom. Let's select Change Subject Title. Enter the new subject. Click on Create. We've successfully created the Change Subject Title action using Zoom. That would be all for this video. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to support. If you liked this video, please comment below, give it a thumbs up, and subscribe to the channel to get notified when we add more videos. Thank you.